So you want to know how to maximize your profit in the home improvement industry? Well, let me tell you a couple of good tricks. First of all, on my particular job, I'm driving to homeowners basically on a daily basis, and about 3,000 to 4,000 miles a month. So the first thing what I did, I parked my Yukon, got me this little thing here. It's a Kia Nero hybrid, and I'm getting about 49 to 50 miles per gallon, so that was already big savings. My gas bill is much lesser obviously now, so that was number one. Number two, I don't know how it is with your company you're working for, but the company I'm working for actually pays per mile reimbursement, about 26 cents per mile, and then I can still write off the other 26 miles per mile to get to 52. I think it's 52 cents right now. My CPA does all that for me, but I'm writing off the miles obviously, the part what I'm not getting reimbursed from my company. Secondly, I was then also looking for a low interest rate on the lease. I also was looking to get a better insurance policy, what I saved also a couple of bucks on. But now the next big savings is, well, it's not a savings, it's actually making my drive more worthwhile. And here's a tip. So what I'm doing actually, while I'm driving, I have a camera here on my dashboard. Here's how it looks. See that there? That's the dash cam from Hivemapper. I have that for about a year, and Hivemapper actually is a startup company in California, and they are paying me for running the camera constantly when I'm driving. So I made an account with them, bought the camera. So it was an initial investment, but I got it back within the first month, to be honest to you. And now it keeps on paying me basically in crypto, and it's called actually Hive tokens or Honey tokens from that network. I can put a link in the description of this video where you can buy it, but also maybe a little bit, maybe a link to another video how to use it. So it's anywhere between maybe $200 to maybe $1,000 a month, sometimes even more, depends on where the cryptocurrency currently is. It was for a while at 5 cents per token. Now it's getting up right now. It's November 24. Now it is roughly about 80 cents per token, or sorry, 8 cents per token. So while I'm driving, look, this is how I see it. I'm driving to the customer anyways. So I'm not spending any additional time on that camera. It's just collecting coins while I'm driving. That's how I look at it. And hey, it pays more than my gas bill, so technically I drive the whole car for free, including the insurance, or maybe even sometimes the car payment. So that's an additional way to maximize your time, maximize your effort. All right, cool.